One of the things I mentioned at the beginning of the segment is that I would give you Cleve's opinions on the market. And I think if you're a home seller and your home is in an above average condition, meaning it looks better than your competition, you'll have no problem selling in today's market. If your home is average and it compares with all of the comparable properties sort of average, then you might have to kind of step it up a little bit in order to get your home sold. And if your property is below average, the reality is you need to spend some time and money trying to change the condition of the property, because right now the market seems to be penalizing properties in terms of pricing that are not in the same condition that buyers expect. On the buyer side of the property, I think now's a great time to buy a house. People say, well, how could you say that? Interest rates are 6.75%. Yeah. But when you have more supply than you have demand, you have more sellers trying to sell than you have buyers trying to buy, it creates an environment where sellers, in many cases, will be willing to negotiate with you. I've had people negotiate $50,000 off the sales price of a new home, $25,000 off the price of a resale, $10,000 in closing costs from the seller on a resale. And these things were unheard of several years ago. So before, you could get the property at 2.99% interest, but you paid $70,000 more than the list price. And the reality is, if you look at the amount of money you save on your mortgage, it's not $70,000 over a 4 or 5 year period.